Statistics in South Africa show that 7 million people cannot afford to feed themselves on a daily basis. Outside the Bowl Africa wants to make a difference and stop the suffering. At their food facility in Wellington, they prepare and distribute nutritious and healthy meals daily. These are delivered to early childhood development centres, creches, schools, NGOs, and existing soup kitchens. Knowing how important good nutrition is, they developed and now also manufacture an instant porridge called Vita Kids Instant Energy Porridge. This porridge is filled with essential brain food and provide 80% of a young child's daily nutritional needs. And children love it.
It is very healthy. It is very healthy. It makes you strong. It makes you grow.
Please partner with Outside the Bowl Africa to ensure a brighter future for all our children and a new dawn